Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can hide all your Snapchat memories in a single click. If you want to hide your memories on Snapchat, you can do it in a single click. For that, you just have to open your Snapchat app on your mobile phone and go to your camera option. Now here at the left side, you can see the mobile option. This is the gallery option. Click on this one and now here you have all your memories. Now in order to hide all your memories, at the top right side click on this check button and now simply click on select all. When you click on select all, here you can see at the bottom now there is an option called hide. Click on this hide option and just click on this move. When you click on move, all these memories will be hidden and will go to my eyes only folder where they will be protected by a password. This is how you can hide your memories on a Snapchat in a single click.